A tour of my house today and all that. And my cousin Faith is with me today. And right now we're at the fort, and we have chairs here. Faith and I, a long time ago, we put baskets here, and then we put wood here to make a little bench, and then you can sit on it. And then there's an entrance for a dog and cats. And there's this long alley here. You can go down. And then there's a tree stand right there, because we like hunting. And then, ow, God, I tripped. And then there's a bear target 20 yards from the tree stand. And then there's a bag target too. And then go around that, get back in here. And then there's a little place we can go in. Then there's an exit. There's an exit here too. Go through that. So that's our fort. Ow! It poked in the eye. And then there's a backyard. There's our backyard. And then we have the front yard up here. We have the front yard here. And Maddie's over here, just lying down in the sun. There you go. And then we have our target that we shoot out with my bow to sight it in and all that. There's a deer, and then there's a turkey. He else to block it, to block the arrow. And then our calf, Tucker, we have is my calf and Faith. And then we have a ton of other cattle down here. I'll show you. Tucker's in with the top pin. This is the top ones of our house. And Faith doesn't live with me. She lives down about about 3/4 of a mile down the road. Then we have a 4-wheeler, tractor, baler, big stack of bales down here in the shed. Faith would be a nice day for a swim, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would.
We're just being sarcastic. It's about freezing. Yeah. It's only about 5 degrees above freezing. That would not be a good day for us. Then back here, we just have a bunch of old stuff that we used a long time ago. Yeah. Have to be careful here because there's wires and broken wood everywhere. Smudge through. And then last videos I posted them, but they didn't end up getting posted. I did another drag race video, and I want to give a shout out to Owen, Russell, Trey Reynolds, Ezra Benny, and Joshua Vossick, because I did those in the later video, but they didn't end up posting. So, and my cousin Faith, because she subscribed. And then we have a line of trees to block out the wind. My stepmom, Linda, she has a barber shop here. And you know what's really cool? When we did the garage, and then we poured the concrete, we stuck my hand in, and my dad wrote the date that it was in the concrete, and that's it. And so that's the end of our tour video, and see you guys later. Bye.